In this session, I will explain about how to gather information from online and place the information into your document. Generally, while preparing a document, you might need lot of information regarding your document. So, for that you have to go for Google and you have to search in internet. Usually you will do like that, but here in MS Word itself there is an option under references, search or research is there. So click on that option and it will shows you a box, a text box where you can type the relevant information and search. Suppose I want to know about MS Office. So type MS Office and then search. It will automatically gives you the relevant information about MS Office. What are the content you are having in internet, all those information you can watch here. And suppose I want about MS Office and search for that. So to use this option, internet connection is must. So we are getting lot of information here. You can watch this one, and if you want to show more, it will shows the lot of information. And if you want to open the relevant site, click on that particular site. It will opens the site, and from here you can gather the relevant information. Suppose I am copying this information and Control C and here Control V. And for example, I am typing some about Chanakya. I want about Chanakya and enter. So you will get lot of information about Chanakya. And if you want more, you can show more. And if you want to open that in directly in relevant Wikipedia, see, it is opening directly here. From here you can gather, you can copy and you can paste here. Control C, Control V. And for example, I want about Dhoni. Search. So you are getting the basic information, and if you click on Wikipedia or relevant website, it will shows you the complete information. So from here you can copy and Control C and you can paste the information here, Control V. So like that you can search the information from the internet through MS Word itself, and you can later you can go for the website directly and you can copy the information and you can paste the information to your document. Okay.